Yes, and this island is full of the Digibite trees that make it.
So what are we waiting for?
What was that? Oh, that talk of food made my stomach growl. I say we go gather more Digibites now.
Don't have to ask me twice.
Okay, then let's go!
What? He collapsed from hunger. That's bad. Well, he's got tons of Digibites here. That should help.
You sure we shouldn't have blown up that huge robot?
Without that transmission device, he's completely harmless.
Oh, sounds like someone's hungry.
You're right. Too much fighting, not enough snacking.
I know a place where there's all the food you can eat.
Really?
Yeah, take a right.
さっきバイクが突っ込んできて危ない目にあったでしょ。そうだ。なんなんすかあれ。聞いてほしいんだけど、実は最近お腹空かない？ご飯を食べながら話しましょうか。ちょっとそんなに笑うことないでしょ。今日は朝からずっと仕事で。